Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna tell you about the burning safely or the combustion or the burning triangle. Let's start it from the constituent elements of the combustion triangle. Here I have the diagram of the combustion triangle. In this diagram you can see that we have the three constituent elements, three important parts of this triangle. First one is air or the oxygen, second one is the fuel, and the third one is heat. We need three of the things, air, fuel and heat, to burn something or to keep the chemical reaction. And if we have to put out the fire, at least one of these things will be removed. And how these things can be removed? First of all, we take the fuel. If I have to put out the fire, if I am choosing the fuel to remove from it, I will cut off the supply of the fuel. For example, if the source of that burning or source of that combustion is some gas as a fuel, then I will cut off the supply of gas. And if the fuel is somewhere the petrol, I will cut off the supply of the petrol. Okay. And the next one is oxygen. If I have to put out the fire and I am choosing the oxygen there, then I will use a fire blanket or the carbon dioxide gas. And if I am choosing the heat for the removal of that fire, then heat can be removed by using water, but this process is not safe for the electrical fires. And let's do some experiments or know about some early experiments on the air. In 1774, Priestley, who was an English scientist, he discovered oxygen. He discovered oxygen as he found that somewhere something is present in air that cause things to burn brightly. That Priestley discussed his work with Antony Lavoisier. Lavoisier used this diagrammatic apparatus to discover or to find out the discovery of Priestley. Here in the diagram, the apparatus is shown. In this flask we have the mercury. He heated the mercury that is connected to the bell jar. When he heated the mercury, it converted into mercury oxide. At the same time, the 1/5 of the air was used up. Of course, we know that 1/5 of the air was oxygen. So Lavoisier explained this experiment in such a way that he proposed that there is an active gas that is called the oxygen, and also we have an inactive gas in the environment, in the air, that we now call as nitrogen. Here you can see that it produced the mercury oxide. After that, its burning was stopped because the oxygen was totally used up by the mercury for the burning. You can see the difference in both of the diagrams. Now there is a thing that Priestley and Lavoisier didn't receive much respect for their scientific discoveries. Although this scientific discovery was a great work, but both of them didn't receive most respect, and they were forced to leave the England just because of their political views. And the Lavoisier, this person, the Lavoisier, he was executed during the French Revolution because he was an aristocrat. Hope this information will be helpful for you. Thank you.